uh, 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 Welcome to Angel Phonics. Today we are going to learn the sound of letter U and its sound uh, 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 uh. Let me tell you a story. Uncle Bud often comes to visit his niece and nephew, Anna and Ulrich. Today, he has brought them each a big umbrella. Anna's umbrella is spotty and Ulrich's umbrella has red and white stripes. In the afternoon, the whole family goes out for a walk. Although it is sunny day, Anna and Ulrich insist on bringing their umbrellas with them because they love their umbrella. Everyone laughs except Uncle Bud. I'll take my umbrella too, he says. The family set off for their walk in brilliant sunshine. After a while, they notice some big black clouds on the horizon. A little while later, they feel the first raindrops starting to fall. Soon it is pouring with rains. Uncle Bud, Anna and Ulrich put up their umbrellas shouting, up umbrellas. They are the ones laughing now because they have got umbrellas, right? They have a lovely time splashing in the puddles and dancing under their umbrellas. You like the story? Let's do the action. Look at the picture. Keep one hand steady and raise the other as if raising an umbrella and say, Very good. Can you do it? Keep one hand steady and raise the other as if raising an umbrella and say, Very good. Now we are going to sing a song. But remember, first, just listen, no singing, alright? The song goes like this. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Can you sing la la with me? La, 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 la. Very good. Now let's sing together. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Very good. Now we will do another activity, okay? Can you think of a cat hiding somewhere that begins with a? Under the table, right? Under. So the cat is hiding under the table. Very good. Next, suppose you want to go to the second floor of your house. So what word we use if we want to go to the second floor? Upstairs. Yes, upstairs. Next, can you say what are the kind of clothes that we wear before we put on pants? Begins with a. Underwear. underwear. Very good. Next, if you want your mommy to buy something very expensive, unfortunately your mommy doesn't have money to buy that thing, and if your mommy can't buy what you really want, how do you feel? Upset, right? You cry and you get upset. 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 Next, can you say where this arrow is pointing? Begins with a. Up, up, up. Very good. Next, what do you always use when it is raining? Umbrellas. Yes. Umbrellas. Umbrella. Let's say again the sound of letter U. A. Wow, you did a great job. You deserve to get stars, right? So keep learning, keep watching. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Until next time, bye-bye.